pretty Christmas tree.
There's another mini tree on the Christmas tree.
Oh my god. I didn't see it!
Brought it. I am extremely grateful.
What happened?
Hi.
Show the snap.
There's a...
Wow.
Oh, yo.
Just give a gift.
This one has a lot of money. A week's supply.
Months.
That's
Months.
true. Last name.
Oh, shit.
Who has money?
I'm broke.
Who has money?
You see the black?
No. No.
What the hell?
What the hell?
You?
Me?
You.
Hey. The one with the pocket. The one's vlogging this whole thing.
Hey wait, there's another one you didn't open.
Chocolate.
I'm honestly really grateful. And also the packaging is hella great.
Oh my god.
It's my favorite blue.
What's this?
My favorite blue? No, the color blue. Oh, color blue.
Oh shit, I haven't read the name actually.
谢谢。
Oh, what is that?
Tommy Hilfiger.
Is that some Tommy Hilfiger packaging? What is this? Oh. It's so cute.
It's so cute. Cute!
Hey, this is Me, howdy.
James?
No.
I guess a girl actually. I don't think anybody will buy this.
Wait, legit, actually. Bro, I think your option is...
Oh, there's a smiley face on the.
What's that?
Oh my god, chocolate! Shit!
I like the name of this.
Wait, hold on!
Secret
So who else has
admirer.
money?
Who knows I like chocolate? Actually, I think I mix it up to like a lot of people.
She's been so much her problem.
I told everyone.
Sushi?
Nah.
No, okay. Rachel.
No.
Yeah, 5
Oh, dude, thank you! Oh my god!
Who wrote the wrong name? Who did not?
Christine wrote the wrong name. Christine.
We can wait.
Wow. Big guy.
Wow!
Oh my god. Oh my.
There's a name here.
Oh.
Is this from Misha?
Hello, Snitch.
Self-snitch. Hello, snitch. Hey, yo.
Cute.
Hey, she blend with the painting behind.
Oh. Hey, just put the link in your
This is not
Just guess, don't worry.
You won't get A or B minus or anything.
You won't be unfriend.
2, 1. Okay, Secret Santa, come on.
Hi.
Oh! I have found the second Jaeyoon. Second Jaeyoon is Heng.
You have something you want to tell
I
us?
will explain the mishap later.
Wow, this is really your style hand. Hold on.
So cute.
No, I asked it.
Just go Santa, come on, Santa. And explain the situation also.
With the Santa like the command.
No, I couldn't
you
open the thing. I couldn't open the thing, so I thought it's like random.
I thought you forgot my name.
Oh.
Jumps.
This person got very beautiful handwriting.
Jameson.
Jumps.
Is that the towel?
Nice for Jim.
Adidas.
Jim, thank you. I'm gonna start clockwise, and we're gonna work our way around. Lee? No.
Three guys only, no.
Imran?
Oh,
No.
Don't get my hands.
Yeah.
I heard
Thank
you
you.
like gym, so I was
I'm
like,
very
oh.
touched. I will use this.
Okay, you better do.
Trapping. Is that a cop?
Wow, Chaco! Oh my god! Wow!
Okay, so I've been a bad person to this person. Understand? I actually got.
I feel like it's special. Oh, it's back. Oh. No, I need to get the charcoal moment. Bro. But it's black or black. No. What is the charcoal for?
Oh,
I
you
don't
get-
know. No, it must be special. It's no reason you rub charcoal and put it.
You get
It's to put in the
for
bag.
kids. Cold for
It's
Christmas.
for for
No,
Christmas.
it's for bad
Hidden.
kids.
Who did you do?
That's
Wrong to?
More family not Irish, I think Sophia.
Yeah.
Thank you very much,
Nice.
Thanks for
You
that.
got it from there?
What's that?
It's the accessory. I think it's a necklace, right?
Oh.
Oh.
That's so nice. So cute. I think that's suddenly so hard to guess. Are you sure? No. Why is that one thing I give them?
Either man.
Marie?
No.
Ayo, it's Murray. Oh my god. Wait. Wait, it's coffee.
Oh really?
Oh, is there nothing to unpack?
Yeah, no, it's just like that.
I feel like you should smell the coffee bean.
Do you like coffee?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, so it's a coffee.
I guess not smell.
Mark.
Mark?
They came together, so.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
So nice.
Aww.
Tara
At least you
Brown.
appreciate the package. I mean, the effort.
Put it back.
Wow, how many layers?
But I don't think this person appreciates you though. Wait. Making you suffer to open
Guys,
and
it's okay. You just like tie once only.
I mean, the person want the gift to be very
Wow,
protected.
another one.
Very protected.
Whoa!
And then
I don't even know how to use this.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Oh.
Read it out loud.
What?
Yo.
Merry Christmas, Marie. You have your unwavering support and boundless kindness made you the positive force in our lives.
Oh.
Cherish and will miss the moments when you shared your wisdom during lecture. His lecture is this.
Can't tell because he shares
Before you-
lecture to every batch.
Before you begin your new phase, you have more to look around. Hope you have more time to look around now. Hope this gift helps you see and share your work
Oh, that's
experience.
so sweet. That's so
Why
sweet.
do I look feel like this is from all of you?
Wow.
Yeah, that was nice.
JK. Oh,
That
yes.
would have been.
Absolutely. Get your Santa.
Absolutely
Get
not.
your Santa.
I like how the music outside is.
I cannot even hear.
Okay, all the secret Santa who's already been called, raise your hand.
Already been correct.
Yes.
Oh my
Okay. Steve?
God, sorry.
Rachel?
Wow!
Oh my god.
Wow. 很不很高
Swedish language, English
A
translation.
lot of fun.
Oh, I think it's only Jiao.
Line.
Oh.
Very cute.
Oh my
Oh,
goodness.
his earrings.
It fits your outfit though.
Oh, legit.
Fits your outfit.
Where now?
Yeah, you wear it now. Do you have the ear?
Auto.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Don't expose that thing.
Really a noob, you know.
Okay, Doctor Hand. I think.
讲什么 bro?
I know. Wait, Rachel. This one can. Okay, one teach Muri, so Muri can use that. Who?
Pen.
Pens.
Pull out the top.
Brandon,
I thought Shawan knew.
What?
are you the secret Santa? It's me.
No.
No. Oh shit.
You wanna give up?
Panchi.
No.
Okay, last guess. Last
I think they
guess.
should be.
Yeah, that's English. You see? I think you break even before you
Christy.
say it, bro.
Wow.
Why?
But we didn't.
Right now. Right now. Go ahead. I'll just enjoy.
We'll go very quickly. So each one of us can be clockwise or anti-clockwise. We're gonna roll the dice. Okay, if it lands on two of the same number, 6 and 6, 3 and 3, you can take a gift from here. Or say James have a gift. James has a gift, and you want that gift, you can also steal.
But is he gonna open again?
No, you cannot. You cannot open the gift until the end of the round, until the alarm finishes. Next, Brendan.
It's a nice AirPod case.
We are stuck in my ear.
I think you take my luck, bro.
Sorry.
Is the timer okay?
What the hell?
Persons of material world.
No, he's gonna steal my luck again. Yeah, that's what you get.
It's always your turn. Oh, gee.
Take one.
I think this is a narrative on capitalism in the society. How is the same people winning like league?
I thought somebody said this is a practice round.
One he got.
my god, it's a dog.
Oh my god!
I didn't know.
Get married already?
Hey, hang on. Bro isn't even earning any money yet.
I want play. I bring this to studio, like this will be a scene.
You bring the studio that for this contract every time.
Rachel, what you get?
Hey, is that BB gun?
Oh, that's so cute.
It's set up. Yeah. Hey, whose gun is this? Who brought the present?
G6.
Oh, this. Oh shit.
You know which one that is. No, that's
Yo, I'm legit Call of Duty.
Google search. Reminds me of the UMP, the foldables.
No,
There's a.
I want to join this party.
Right?
Better. Sorry, it was not
Okay. So the reason why we're here is not just for Christmas, but also to celebrate our winnings in Rewind 2023. All of us, the participants and the volunteers, also obviously helped contributed to the winnings. So as a result, of course, we also won our first performance in 10 years of track. Yeah, our volunteers never had to scream, right? Come on, volunteers. 3, 2, 1.
Can both together.
One, two, three. Oh, wait.
Wait, thankfully my phone is not Happy graduation.
Yeah.
Okay, there's time.